Does this? Oh, all right. Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Helena Berman. I work at the Alaska Earthquake Center.
And that's right here in the LV building. Ooh, it's a pretty building. What's it like inside the Alaska Earthquake Center? Are you always looking at squiggly lines on a piece of paper? What's going on in there?
Yeah, that's right. We are monitoring earthquake activity across the state of Alaska. So if it shakes, we know about it.
And how do you know? Are there seismic stations all over the state?
All over the state. Yep. We have a bunch in South Central, and right now they're scattered actually all across the state at about 50 miles apart, maybe.
And how many? Like hundreds?
I think we have 250 running right now.
That's a lot of data.
It's a lot of data.
And it's all that you do is watch that stuff?
That's right. We report when there's an earthquake that people felt and send out information releases about that.
And when an earthquake happens, people love to write about it. They share about it on social media. They call their friends. They check on how their friends are. What does an earthquake mean for you? Is it boring when you see an earthquake happens now personally, or do you get really excited?
Oh, we get super excited because we're a bunch of nerds.
Well, this is a good day to meet some nerds because it is the UAF Arctic Research Open House, and labs all up here on West Ridge are showing off what they're doing, including the Alaska Earthquake Center.
That's right. So inside we have our equipment laid out so you can see what it actually takes to record earthquakes. And then we've got our live feed of the most recent earthquakes in this state. That's up on a screen. And we have some tsunami information. And we have also a bulletin about what research we do. And there's a piece about glacial earthquakes, ice quakes.
Whoa, ice quakes. Okay, you're blowing my mind here.
Yeah, so that's when pieces of ice fall off the glacier or the glacier cracks. We can measure that. So we have some research about that, and we have some research by someone upstairs who is looking for earthquakes that maybe we missed. He has a technique for doing that. And then we also have a piece about earthquakes in northeast Alaska, which we don't know much about.
Is that forensic seismologist? Is that they're going around and digging up old earthquakes and looking at the earthquake bones?
Kind of.
So what is, this is sort of off-topic question, but not really. So how do you measure the strength of an earthquake? I've heard magnitude 4, magnitude 5. What does that actually mean?
It's to do with how much the ground shakes, and so when we literally have to measure it, we kind of look at how long the wiggles last for. Is that technical enough for you?
That sounds good.
Yeah.
How long the wiggles last.
Yeah.
And then you measure, well, that's a 7.
Oh, yeah.
So the other thing is you never know quite when an earthquake is going to happen. So if you come up here to the open house this afternoon, you might be on site when a big trembler happens.
You never know.
That could be exciting. If you could say one thing about why people should come up and hang out with you guys and talk to you for a little bit this afternoon, why should people do that?
We have an earthquake every 12 minutes on average, so everyone should know about them. So come and learn about them.
Even while we've been getting ready to talk here live on Facebook, an earthquake happened somewhere.
Probably.
Statistically.
I mean, statistically, yeah.
Well, great. I'll let you get back to work. Thank you very much
right.
for taking some time. And I hope everybody comes up and see what you guys do, because it is so, so cool. Don't just wait for when an earthquake happens. Learn about it ahead of time. Make some friends, and then you can get the inside scoop.
Cool.
All right, bye.